Hello, welcome RM Tech Network Consultants. In this video, I will show you how to make a OWASP ZAP web application vulnerability scanning. In today's real world, web applications are the main target for attackers. And understanding their weaknesses is one of the most important skills in cybersecurity. In this chapter, we will explore how professionals use OWASP ZAP to analyze, scan, and discover security vulnerabilities in real web applications. This is not just a tool demonstration, it's a real-world mindset by using ZAP against the vulnerable test environment like Metasploitable2. And also you will learn how attackers think, how systems behave under analysis, and how security professionals identify risks before they are exploited in the real world. To start in our lesson, first right click, open the terminal, okay, and first you can go the ASAP applications and you can select in here, or you can write and ZAP proxy and then click enter. Okay, first start login to your Kali Linux, open the OWASP ZAP from menu web application analysis, or you can write ASAP. Okay, and now and you want to persist the ZAP session, so I will select no, I don't want to persist this session at this moment time, and then click start, and then select automated scan. So before selecting the automated scan, okay, then in our next step you will start Metasploitable. Click Metasploitable and press start. Okay, now it is starting the Metasploitable. It asks a login, and then you will write MSF admin and then type the password MSF admin, and then inf config, how to see the IP address. In our IP address is a 192.168.142.136. Okay, sorry. And then you will return the automated scan, and then you will enter and the URL attack. In here, the IP address 192.168.142.136. Sorry. Yeah, let me check. Okay, let me check one more time. 142.136. 142.136. And then you can use Ajax Spider, and then you select if a modern, and also you can select in here Firefox, and then you will click attack. You see now it is starting the searching the vulnerability of web application using my IP address. Okay, there are tabs in here: history, search, alerts, and output. And now we are in a spider and history. History is a tab shows all the web requests and responses that pass between your browser and the target website while you are testing. It records everything you click or load, such as pages, logins, requests, and API calls. This helps you understand how the website communication is and allows you to review traffic later for the security analysis. In the other tab, search, and advantage, the search feature is used to quickly find specific information and is specific information inside the captured traffic. For example, you can search for keywords like password, admin, or token. This is very useful when you are analyzing large amounts of data and want to locate something important quickly. And the next step, alerts. Alerts are security alerts. Alert is a security warning generated by ZAP when it detects possible vulnerabilities in a web applications. This can include issues like XMLS or cross-site scripting, missing security headers, or weak configurations. Each alert shows security levels high, medium, low, informal, or informational, helping you understand how serious the problem is. And this there is an also in here a URLs and add notice, and there is also a messages. So if I return the alerts, if I click cookie no HTTP only flag, and it shows you a cookies has been set without the hit only flag, which means that the cookies can be accessed by JavaScript. And if malicious script can be run on this page, then the cookies will be accessible and can be transmitted to another site. If this session is cookie, then session is hijacking or hijacking might be possible. And also this one is a cookie without some site attribute systematic has been set without the some site attribute, which means that the cookie can be sent as a result of a cross-site request. The some site attribute is effective countermeasure to cross-site request forgery. Cross-site, and also there is in here server leak version information via server. So if I click, it gives you the level of the risky and confidence. You see this IP address, it is risk is low and confidence is high, and that it shows you. Okay, and also it shows you this another one is a low. Okay, if I go content security, and also it's a low, so it means in this you can see any type of vulnerable of web applications, and this one is a very useful tool for cybersecurity engineers. So thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.